The dangers of opening your laptop at home? Thinking about opening up your laptop at home for a quick fix? Think again. Here are some compelling reasons to avoid it. 1. Warranty avoidance. Opening your laptop may void its warranty, leaving you responsible for any future repairs or replacements. 2. Risk of damage. Laptops are intricate devices, and improper handling during disassembly can lead to permanent damage to components. 3. Data loss. Accidental mishandling or static electricity can cause data loss, especially if you're not familiar with proper precautions. 4. Complexity. Modern laptops are complex devices with intricate designs. Disassembling them without expertise can result in difficulty reassembling or diagnosing issues. 5. Specialized tools. Laptop repairs often require specialized tools that may not be readily available at home, making it challenging to perform the task properly. 6. Electrostatic discharge, ESD. Opening a laptop exposes sensitive electronic components to the risk of ESD, which can cause irreversible damage even with a small static charge. 7. Professional expertise. Laptop repairs may require specific technical knowledge. Without expertise, diagnosing and fixing problems becomes a daunting task, potentially exacerbating the issue.